Elon Musk's XAI has unveiled Grok 3, a groundbreaking AI model that's redefining artificial intelligence. Today we'll explore its innovative features and potential impact. This is the Grok's UI, which is pretty similar to ChatGPT. Near the arrow button in the prompt box, we can switch the models to Grok 2 or Grok 3. You can see that the Grok 3 is still in the beta version. Just like the other AIs like ChatGPT and Perplexity, we have several options in Grok. This includes research, brainstorm, analyze data, create images, and code. We also have deep search for researching and think option for reasoning. Let's start testing it out. The first question I'm going to ask is, research why 90% of startups fail and list the reasons. I want to know how well the deep search of Grok performs when compared to deep research of Perplexity. We've got the answer. On the left side, Grok has listed the steps it took to answer our question. The response took 53 seconds to generate, and Grok referenced 44 sources. The steps include thinking, researching startup failures, evaluating failure reasons, refining the reason list, and finally verifying source accessibility. Plus, we can easily navigate these topics just by clicking on them. Let me scroll through the reply. Feel free to pause the video and read through it. Initially, Grok provides an overview of the topic and outlines the steps it took to generate the answer. After completing the analysis and verifying sources, the final response is presented. After the 5 steps we saw earlier, the detailed answer is provided. Under the Why Startups Fail section, 13 key reasons behind startup failures are discussed. I'm impressed by the depth of research and the credibility of the sources. At the end, all 13 reasons are listed as requested. What stands out is that Grok has ranked them based on their impact on startup failure, displaying them in descending order. No market need takes the top spot as the most significant reason. As you can see, these reasons are highly relevant to real-world startup failures. Some of the reasons that caught my eyes include no market need, get outcompete, poor product, poor marketing, and ignore customers. Let's ask the same question to Perplexity. I have switched the mode to deep research, and let's start comparing the results once the generation is completed. The generation is complete, and Perplexity took less time than Grok to produce the results. Let me scroll through them. Perplexity provided only 6 reasons for startup failure, whereas Grok listed 13. Moreover, the last reason in Perplexity's response is simply labeled Other Issues. From this, you can determine which one is more comprehensive. To test the reasoning abilities of the Grok 3, I came up with this question. Grok is taking more than 200 seconds to answer this question. But in reasoning, it doesn't matter how fast the results are, what matters is the quality. After thinking for 405 seconds, Grok has come up with a solution containing 10 parts. It has listed every reason along with the process to analyze, identify, and fix them. Almost all of these 10 factors seems worthy as they concentrate on core strategies and problems like market saturation, organic channels, referral or partnerships, run A/B tests on landing pages, LTV, CAC ratio, and so on. I'm gonna ask the same question to Perplexity. Let's change the model to DeepSeek R1. Actually, this mode uses the DeepSeek R1 model to answer. Alright, we got the reply from Perplexity. As usual, it's faster than Grok. But honestly, Grok's answer feels more detailed and well-reasoned. It breaks down each factor clearly and even highlights more potential CAC issues. The more possibilities we have, the easier it is to spot and fix problems, even ones we didn't realize existed. I personally think Grok really nailed it when it comes to research and reasoning. Up next, we're testing its image generation skills. But before that, just a heads up, Grok won't stay free forever. Even in beta, access is limited, and once the full version drops, it'll likely switch to a paid model. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comment section. Not sure why this message popped up, but hopefully it's nothing serious. Now let's move on to image generation. I asked for an illustration of a unicorn flying over a mountain with its wings spread wide. Let's see what we get. Wow. The images are super clear and detailed. Click on them for a full view. Check this out, the unicorn and the mountain look so realistic. This is awesome. Both of the images look great and I can't see any major flaw in the images. This is really cool. Now let's ask the same question to Ideogram AI. If you're not familiar with Ideogram, here's a quick intro. It's one of the top AI image generators out there, competing with Midjourney. The generation time is near the prompt box, which is 30 seconds. The results from Ideogram are totally different. It went for a cartoon style. It generated 4 images, but some have noticeable issues. For example, in this one, the unicorn's wings are different colors, and in another, it only has 3 legs. From this I am concluding that Grok's image generation quality is really good. That's it, guys. We've explored the major features of Grok 3. I'm thinking of making a separate video to test its coding abilities, so if you're interested, drop a yes in the comments. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing. See you in the next one.